Hi guys, my name is Jay and today I'll be walking you through how to change the hot end on your 22 IDEX. Let's get started. Alright guys, before we get started in this video, a couple tools we're going to need is going to be a Phillips screwdriver, a hobby knife. I use a number 11, very thin, and also a 2.5 millimeter hex driver and a tweezer in case something falls down, you'll be able to grab it. So I'll be changing out the right head on this one. So let's move the right head out. On there. Let's move a little more. All right. So first thing first, we'll be taking off this fan shroud with Phillips screwdriver. So there are one here. And one up here. All right, so those screw comes off. Okay, the fan shroud comes off like that. And the fan, it just pressure fit on, just come like that. You can let this hang. It's not very heavy, so it's not going to damage any cable. All right, and now you see this. All right, I'm really gonna move this wire covering in the back here with the Phillips screwdriver. Loosen that, get it off. All right, that comes up. Put that somewhere safe. Spread the wires. All right, guys, now that we removed the covering for the connectors, you want to go ahead and unhook the connectors. But before you do that, you want to go ahead and mark them. They are not marked from the factory. For example, like my thermistor is marked with a T. So I wrote on there with a Sharpie. Okay. Fan, I do F. And then heated cartridge, I do H for heated cartridge. For my part cooling fan, I do C. But that's totally up to you. Okay, so now that's everything's there. You mark your connectors. Go ahead and remove them. All right, and then we come down here. Remove these two 3 millimeter bolts with a 2.5 millimeter hex. I don't want it to fall, so I'll just keep one hand on it. Okay, there. If we have the PTFE in there, okay, it's in there, but it's not falling down, so that'll be easy. So the way you do it is just take this bracket out, and then your hot end will come out. Really simple. As you can see, there is a PTFE tubing right up in here. Just don't forget to put them back. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you how to put the hot end back on your 22 IDEX. Just reverse everything that you've done. Hot end goes first. Just make sure that the PTFE is not dropped all the way down. If it's dropped all the way down, this is when I use the hobby knife. Just kind of go in there and lift up PTFE a little bit. Get it up there and get your hot end on. There is a square edge on one side and then a round edge on the other side. Make sure the round edge go toward the back of the machine, okay? Goes on there. And now we're gonna secure the two 3 millimeter bolts. Goes on, give it a little tight on the finger so that it falls out. There we go. All right. That's kind of on there. We'll finish it off with a 2.5 millimeter hex. All right, and you don't want to crank them all the way down one side. You want to crank them at equal pressure. So I'll go back to here. Get that in there. Switch to this side. And almost there. All right. All right, that feels good. Okay, now connect your connector back, your wire back. T for thermistor. That's my heater. And that's my fan. All right, now we'll put the fan shroud back on. One on the bottom. and one ajar on top. Here we go, like so. Check your bolts. Cooling fan on. And to put the fan on the fan shroud, it just simply is from this side and then push it to the left. It's pressure fit, so it's right on there. You can actually tack on a little hot glue if you like. Just put one on there, one on the other side. Just make sure you don't use super glue because you don't want it to be permanent. You want it to come off when you want it to come off. All right, and then we'll go ahead and close this connector's covering. And then we close it up with this Phillips. Kind of squeeze them together, lines up the hole. There we are. Make sure everything's on there. Okay, last thing on this one here, you have a fan cooling on the side of the hot end. Make sure they're not pushed back. Make sure they're forward just a tiny little bit so they don't hit the sidebar. Same thing with the other side. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.